So I got all of these little baby craft kits from the dollar section in Target, super cute, and I thought it'd be a fun and festive little craft to make a video on during this Christmas season. Obviously they're super cheap and simple, so if you have a Target nearby, go and snatch these. And if you don't, then most of these materials you could easily buy from any craft store. The first one I'm going to show today is this mini garland thing that came with some string, tassels, little carved pieces of wood, and paint. So basically all you have to do is paint the wood pieces, then string them on. Simple enough. I started by using the paint they gave, which is perfectly fine, but I decided that Posca pens would do a much better job, plus it's a lot more satisfying to watch. Here are the finished pieces. Just let them dry, and then after that you can start stringing, and once you do that, then you can add the little sticker details it came with. Moving on to the next craft, we have this bag to make 3 felt trees. I think they're like ornaments or something, but I'm sure you can do whatever you want with them. I forgot to mention also that there are simple instructions on the back of the packaging of each of the crafts. But yeah, it came with all of these felt rectangles, and you have to punch out all of the circles. To make it a little more organized, I stacked all of the circles in order from biggest to smallest to make it easier when putting it all together. Grab the tassel string thing and thread it onto your needle it came with and sew it onto the pom-pom like this. Then grab a bead and sew it on, and then starting with the biggest felt circle of your little stack there, start threading them on, and then just keep repeating with a felt circle and then a bead and then a felt circle and bead. The last thing you need to do is put the star bead on and you're done. Now you just have 2 more to make. Also, don't forget to tie a knot at the top. On to the next craft, we have this adorable little snow globe ornament. That's for last, am I right? Starting with the glue, I am just filling in all of the little indents on the wood. I may have been a little too generous, but that's okay. And after you fill it in with glue, then you can just stick the truck and the tree in. Wait for that to dry all the way, and then fill the clear ornament with the fake snow. Grab the glue again and fill in where the ornament is going to go. Now flip the wood over and place it onto the upside down ornament. Do not do this the other way around, snow will get everywhere. Let this sit and dry. After it's dry, take the needle and thread the string on and put it through all of the beads. With the beads on there, put the needle through the loop at the top of the ornament and tie a knot like this. And then after that, put the needle back through all of the beads. Don't mind this just falling apart and me just lying about actually waiting for the glue to dry and making a mess. We all make mistakes. Finish by tying a knot at the very top, and now you have yourselves a super cute little ornament. Don't be like me and actually be patient and wait for it to dry. It will save you a lot of trouble. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy holidays.